Assalamu alaikum, I am Sadia and today we will conduct an experiment that is identification of red and white blood cells under microscope. For this purpose we need some of the equipments or materials. We need a microscope and some prepared slides of blood cells, cover slips, these the glass slides, pricking needles and alcoholic swabs. First of all, for this experiment, you need an alcoholic swab to sanitize or sterilize your finger which you are going to prick. Sterilize it well with the help of an alcoholic swab. Then with the help of a pricking needle, you need to prick your finger from the tip. Prick your finger with the needle and put some of the blood on this slide. After that, you must clean your fingertip with the help of an alcoholic swab in order to protect it from any kind of infection. Then, with the help of another slide, spread the blood on the slide in this way. Spread the blood on the other glass slide and let it dry for a minute or two. Now, while using the cover slip, cover on a specific area like this. Now the slide is prepared to examine under the microscope. You can examine the blood under high and low resolution. You will observe the blood under electron microscope. You will be able to identify two different types of blood cells, the red blood cells and the white blood cells. Red blood cells will be biconcave in shape. They lack nucleus because when nucleus is absent, they have more space to bind hemoglobin protein to transport gases like oxygen. In red blood cells, they have the elasticity, and red blood cells are also known as erythrocytes. The other type of cells present in your blood are the white blood cells, which are also the part of human immune system or the body's defense system that protect your body against the invading microorganisms or diseases. White blood cells have few characteristics. They are fewer in number than red blood cells. White blood cells are colorless as they do not contain hemoglobin protein. They are nucleated, which means that nucleus is present in the center of white blood cells. White blood cells do not have any specific shape. They are irregular in shape. Furthermore, they are classified into two different types, the lymphocytes and the phagocytes. Basically, the lymphocytes are the cells which are produced in the bone marrow, and they produce antibodies which protect your body against the invading microorganisms. So they are the part of your defense system. White blood cells, which are lymphocytes, they have clear cytoplasm. Therefore, they are known as granulocytes, granulocytes, which means that their cytoplasm is clear, which do not have any granule-like structures. The other type of white blood cells are phagocytes. The function of phagocyte is to ingest and digest the foreign particles which are not the part of human body. Basically, they are also the member of human immune system. Phagocytes have nucleus in which the cell is having the granular cytoplasm, which means that there are small granules present in the cytoplasm of phagocytes. They have the property of elasticity as well. Phagocytes and lymphocytes collectively make the immune system of human body, and they protect the human body against the invading microorganisms which cause specific diseases in human body. So this is all about the human blood, in which you have observed the two basic types of blood cells. Thank you.